This is my Honeywell thermostat and the time is off by 2 hours. So I'm going to show you how to reset that. So we're going to press the top button and slide it off the wall. Now inside it, I have no batteries here, but there is a little CR2032 battery here. So I'm going to slide that out. And now I'm just going to count to 10. 1, 2, 8, 9, 10. Alright, now I will slide the battery back in until it clicks. And I will put this back on the wall. And we have 2 alerts. So we'll replace the battery next. And now we set the date and time. So it is May 28th, but it is 5:44. So now I will change this. To 5:44. And there you go. Now it looks like I do need to change the battery, so I will do that later.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.